Dear students, today we will discuss structural design 2. In the previous semester, you have studied structural design 1. The structural design 1 consists of the design of reinforced concrete structures or plain cement structure. In the structural design 2, what we studied? The steel structure. In the steel structure, the basic important factor is connection. So, what is the connection? Suppose this is my plate, steel plate, and this is my another steel plate. I want to join these two steel plates. How can I join? By using bolt or by using rivet. So my first connection is a rivet or bolt connection. Second connection is welding connection. So what is bolt connection? Connection of two plates or two sections by using bolts, nut and bolt. Suppose this is a, if I say this is a bolt, this is its head and this is its knot. If it is used, this is called nut and bolt assembly or connection by using rivet or bolt connections. Suppose I have two plates here and I connected these two plates by joining these two plates by diffusion method or by joining these two plates by using giving heat and some rods, heated rod, that is called welding. It is called welding connections. This rivet connection gives some flexibility in between the joint, and joint can move like this way, but it cannot be separated. But in the welding connection, after doing welding, it remains hard, and this connection remains brittle failure. If this plate fails, if we put the pressure P and these two plates separated, then here brittle failure occurs, and here what the failure? This is flexure failure, or if I say ductile failure occurs. So now coming to the bolt connections. So we will discuss bolt connections. Okay, there is two types of joint. Suppose this is my plate here and this is my plate. This is my another plate. This plate is A, this plate is B. How can I join? First, I can join by this way. This is my plate A, this is my plate B, and by putting bolt. This is called lap connection. Lap means one plate on another plate. This is called lap connection. And second connection, how can I join? Suppose this is my plate A and this is my plate B, okay, and by putting another plate here and another plate here and bolting connection. This is called bolt joint. What means two plates are